This 2023 Keystone Springdale 303BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Springdale 303BH is 8,035 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.